Have you ever found yourself stuck trying to convert a 2D array to a 2D list using streams in Java? It can be quite the puzzle, right? If that's you, then you're in the right place. Today, we're going to solve this issue together. I totally get it. It's frustrating when you follow a tutorial and then hit a wall with an error message. You're not alone in this. Many developers face similar challenges when working with streams. Here's the specific situation we're looking at. One user recently asked, how can I convert a 2D array to a 2D list with streams? They tried a code snippet from Stack Overflow but encountered an error about type arguments. Sound familiar? Let's dive into this and find a solution. So what's going wrong here? The error message indicates that the compiler is having trouble inferring the type for the map function. This often happens when the types are not clear enough for the compiler to understand what you want to do. And stick around. I have a great tip at the end that will help you avoid these types of errors in the future. To convert a two-dimensional array to a two-dimensional list using streams, the user should start by ensuring they have the correct imports in their Java file. This includes importing the necessary classes from the Java Collections framework. Next, the user can create a method that takes a two-dimensional array as an argument. Inside this method, they will use arrays.stream to process the array. In this method, the user first converts each inner array to a stream. Then, they use the boxed method to convert the primitive integers to integer objects, which are needed for the list. Finally, the user collects the results into a list of lists. This will give them the desired two-dimensional list structure. Now, the user can call this method with their two-dimensional array to get the converted two-dimensional list. This should resolve the type inference error they encountered. Fun fact, did you know that Java streams were introduced in Java 8? They revolutionized the way we handle collections, making our code cleaner and more efficient. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. One alternative solution is to use streamx. This method allows you to convert a 2D array to a 2D list by using the of method and mapping each inner array to a boxed list. Another option is to utilize abacus-util, which is simple and efficient. You can convert the 2D array to a 2D list with just a few lines of code. All these methods ensure null safety, returning an empty list if the data is null. Here's the tip I promised. Always specify types when using streams, especially in complex scenarios. This will save you from a lot of headaches down the line. And there you have it. You should now be able to convert a 2D array to a 2D list without any issues. Remember, clear type definitions are key. If you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button for more coding tips and don't miss our next video.